Hello, good morning students. I am your computer teacher. Hope all of you are well. Now we have completed our unit 1 exam. Now chapter 4 is our next chapter in computer. This chapter is related to our health and computer. It is very important to know our health and computer. First, what are the objectives are there? Whatever things we are going to learn, first we need to know. First is given importance of computer. Next given time spent on computers and their reasons. Health issues caused by using the computer for a long time. And last, things to remember while using computer. So, first we need to know that the computer has occupied a huge portion of our life. This is very true. So, computer has occupied a huge portion in our life. Computers are a part of our life in many ways. That means it is being a part of our life. We can do many things. So mostly what we can do at home whenever we are using computer, what we can do. So the following things we can do. So these are the following things we can do. Watch movies, browsing of internet, listen to music, send emails, play games. These are the things we can do in a computer. Now computers are also being used in different places. We have seen also, we have noticed also, sometimes we visit to bank, we can see computers are using. Sometimes we visit to hospitals, computers are using. Sometimes we visit to supermarkets, especially malls, we can see they are using computers. Different kinds of work is there. Now in our schools also, we are very much familiar with in our practical lab. If we go higher classes, when you go to colleges, or if our elder anybody is going to college, then we will use computers there also, except that there are lots of place also we are using computer. Mostly we are using computer everywhere. With the rise of the using computer, the time a person spends with the computer has also increased. That means what they want to say that as we are using computer a lot, so the spending time with computer also increased. Comparatively, it is increased. Now, as we are using computer for long time, we are also facing some health related health problems. What are the problems? The main problem is posture get affected. Our posture get affected. Next is that constant exposed to the light from the monitor screen. So continuous sitting on a computer and looking at the monitor, it affects our eyes and headache may occur. Our eyesight may be affected. This is very important. Our eyesight may be affected because we look a light source for a long time. Eyes may become dry. Eyes may become dry because the user, we, blinks the eyes very less. There is also another big problem, obesity, which is another problem the user faces while working on the computer for a long time. That is very dangerous one. We do not spend our energy because we do not move enough. So there is less movement. So we are sitting in the same place continuously. So because of that, there is a big disadvantage has come. Since we are working alone, it tends to less social with others. So as we are sitting in a computer where mostly we are working alone. That means we are not very less in social with others. Next is that injury to the wrist may occur because of continuous typing. That is also the biggest problem. Injury to the wrist may occur because of the continuous typing problem. So these are the pictures as given. We are facing this kind of problem because of the bad posture, because of the head seems to be aching, eyes are stained, muscles and joint are aching. Obesity is a problem. Person looks lonely and sad. That are the things is happening as we are using long time in a computer. So keep in mind, whenever you are using computer, we should not sit for a long time. Next thing is given, things to remember while using computer. When you use computer, we sit on a chair. How we sit on a chair determines our posture. That means our sitting is determining our posture. Some tips on how to sit on a chair to ensure that you protect your eyes, spine, neck and wrist are given below. So whenever you are sitting in a chair, you should be careful how our posture is. It is very important for every prospect in our sitting process. So sit. The chair we sit on will determine our posture. The armrest and the backrest of the chair can prevent injury to the neck, spine and arm. That means the backrest and the armrest prevent injury of neck, spine and our arm. Next is given how to sit. Sit back in such a way that our hips touch to the end of the chair. That means we sit in such a way that our hips touch the end of the chair. That is important. Next is what? Ensure the seat height is adjusted so that our feet rest on the ground. So that seat height is important. It is adjusted in such a way that our feet rest on the ground. Next is that the seat should be inclined at an obtuse angle of 100 to 110 degree. That means the seat should be inclined in such a way that it will be 100 and 110 degree. Next is that adjust the arm rest of a chair such that our elbow make a right angle and the upper arm is placed on the armrest. So what happens because of that? It do not let our elbows hang in the air as place some strain on our wrist. So this can lead a carpal tunnel syndrome. That's a very important. So we adjust our armrest of a chair in such a way that our elbow make a right angle. So we put our elbow in a right angle, that means 90 degree, and our upper arm is placed on the armrest. Do not allow our feet to hang from the chair. So that is also important. Use a footstep if necessary. So that is a part of a chair. Next is keyboard. Now some picture has given keyboard. How to use keyboard? Is given. The tick and cross given. So you should use keyboard in this way. Center in front of you. Adjust your chair height and armrest so your wrists are straight on your desk. So we should follow that thing. The keyboard is the place where our fingers move when we work on a computer. So the keyboard is placed in such a way that our finger move when you work on a computer. The position of the keyboard that's inclined and how our arm is and when we type, very important. Now what are the things we should follow? So things are as follows. Keep the keyboard close enough so you do not lean forward. So we can keep our keyboard in such a way that we should not lean forward. Keep the keyboard directly in front of you. It should be directly in front of us. We must use a portion of the keyboard. Mostly we are using the portion of the keyboard. So place the portion in front of the center of the body. So it should be in the center of the body. Adjust the height of the keyboard so that our shoulders are relaxed. So in such a height we will place the keyboard that we should not get any kind of stress in our shoulders. Keep the keyboard in such a way that our upper arm and lower arm at 90 degree of the elbow. So it should be 90 degree of the elbow. So students, you should keep remember these points. It is very important whenever you are using in a practical room or whenever you are using computer at home or any other places. So next is monitor. So monitor is a place where we constantly look at. That is the most important part. The monitor is a place where we constantly look at. The position of the monitor determines the strain of our eyes. So please see these two pictures. From these two pictures you can identify which one the correct one. So what are the things? Keep the monitor directly in front of you. That is the most important. The top of the monitor should be a couple of centimeter above your eye level. So it should be the couple of centimeter above your eye level. See that we are at an arm length from the screen. Then place the chair and keyboard suitably. So this way. If a light source is reflected on the monitor, change its position. So that is also very important. If a light source is reflecting on the monitor, so immediately we should change the position of the monitor. And lastly, breaks. After sitting off your workstation chair, keyboard and monitor, you must follow some good habits. These habits are very, very important. You should follow these habits. Take 1 or 2 minute breaks after you work for 20 minutes. So there should be interval between the sitting in a monitor, sitting in a computer. There should be intervals, short intervals should be there. For example, 20 minutes. Get away from your computer when you break for lunch or break for a dinner. So you should give some short breaks, so that way you can rest your eyes, your hands, your feet. So this is very important. Next is that give your eyes some rest by focusing them elsewhere once for few minutes. So you can rest your eyes by focusing them elsewhere, means any other. You should not look into the monitor continuously. You should give some rest in your eyes, because if your eyes will less blink, so there will be dryness will come in your eyes. So you should follow this matter. Once every few minutes you follow this matter. By doing this can avoid eyes problem. So if you do this kinds of thing, you can avoid your eyes problem. Otherwise you will get some eyes infection or eyes problem. Cover your eyes with your palm for 20 seconds. That is the one of the good exercise. Cover your eyes with your palms for 20 seconds, 4 to 5 minutes every day. So what you will do? Cover your eyes with your palms for 20 seconds, 4 to 5 minutes every day. So every day if you do this one, it will be helpful for us. And the lastly, most important, all of us know also already, drink plenty of water throughout the day. That is the everywhere we have heard this one. This is very important. Drink plenty of water throughout the body, throughout the day. So these are the important things we learned in our chapter. So in our chapter, our health and computer, we learned about importance of computer. We learned about time spent on computer and their reasons, and what are the health issues as we are using computer for long time nowadays, and we are very much using it. So because of that we are getting some health issues. So these health issues can be recovered. We can remove this one by following some particular cautions. So these are the things we should remember. We already learned what are the things we should remember while using computer. So these are our chapter. I think I have explained it, and hope everybody will understand this explanation. I hope everybody will understand this explanation. Lastly, we have summary of the chapter. In summary of the chapter, what is given, I just read out this one. Computer has occupied a huge portion of our life. This is very true. We use computer at home for different purposes. Yes, we are also using computer in schools, hospitals, banks and different institutions. Okay, using a computer, that is mostly important. Using computers for long hours may cause some health problems. When you use a computer, we sit on a chair. How we sit on a chair determines our posture, and how to sit we already learned. Our posture is very important. The position of keyboard, its incline, and how our armrest when we type are very important. That is also very important. Monitor, the monitor is the place where we constantly look at. So how we will look at the monitor, what are the things we should do? So you should follow this one. After setting up your workstation, chair, keyboard and monitor, you must follow some good habits like taking breaks, walking occasionally. This one I forgot to say. Sometimes walking on a computer, after sometimes you should give a walk for 1 or 2 minutes. So it will improve your, and it will you can make yourself fit. And lastly, drinking enough water. That is very important. So regarding the chapter, if you have any doubt, any query, you can consult with me. I have explained the chapter well. So I hope these things will help you a lot. Thank you very much, student. Goodbye.